Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about VDR in Compliance Audit. Virtual data room have become invaluable tools for conducting compliance audits effectively. Compliance audits are critical for ensuring that a company adheres to regulatory requirements, industry standard and internal policies. VDR streamline the process by providing a secure, organized, and collaborative environment for storing, accessing, and reviewing the necessary document and information. Here's how VDR can utilized effectively in compliance audits. Number one, document centralization. VDR serve as centralized responsibilities for all relevant compliance documents, including contracts, politics, financial record, and regulatory filings. This eliminates the need to search for physical files or dig through scarred digital folder, saving valuable time. Number two, access control and permissions. VDRs offer robust access control features. Auditors can see specific permission to team member and external stakeholders, ensuring that only authorized individuals can view or edit sensitive compliance documents. This strengthens security and confidentiality. Number three, version control. Auditors can track document changes and access previous visitors easily. This helps maintain an audit trail and ensures that the most up-to-date information is being reviewed during the audit. Number 4. Advanced search and indexing. VDRs often come equipped with advanced search and indexing. Auditor can quickly locate a specific document, keyword, or phrase, speeding up the document review process. Number 5. Collaboration tools. VDR facilitate collaboration among audit teams, enabling them to work together in real time. Even if team members are disappears, features like comment